Congratulations! You have completed class 10th and 12th exams. You are now ready to take the next step in your academic journey. But wait, are you spending your holidays just lazing around? That's not very productive. You should consider doing something that will help you in the future. Why not use this time to upskill yourself and learn something new that can help you in the future? At SkillAce Creative Academy, we offer a wide range of multimedia courses like graphic designing, video editing, mobile app development, web development, UI UX design and animation that can help you unlock your creativity and turn your passion into a profession. Our expert trainers will guide you every step of the way, ensuring that you gain the skills you need to succeed. Our state-of-the-art labs and experienced instructors will guide you every step of the way, ensuring that you learn the latest software and techniques. We have various courses and diploma with duration from 1 month to 1 year. By the end of the course, you will receive a certificate that will add value to your resume and help you stand out in the job market. So, what are you waiting for? Join SkillAce Creative Academy today and make the most of your holidays. With our courses, you can upskill yourself, build your portfolio, and stand out from the crowd. Enroll now and take the first step towards the brighter future with SkillAce Creative Academy.